In this video I show you how to create the text animation that you see on the screen in After Effects. So here we are in After Effects, click on New Composition, and then we will be using the standard settings. Click OK. And the first thing we want to do is select Text Tool, type in your text, and then we are going to go to Align and then align this horizontally and vertically into the screen, and then we got some settings over here. We open it and go to Animate, Add, Scale, and then we click somewhere, so we deselect this and then go back to Animate, and this time we add opacity. So scale and opacity will be important for this tutorial. So now we go to Animator 1 and then open the Range Selector 1 properties, and then here at the beginning we set a keyframe to offset, but not 0, we set this to -100, and then go to 2 seconds and then increase this to 100 now. And then we are gonna increase the scale for this to 170. So let's see what we've done so far. So we have this not looking the way we want, but we are gonna fix that. Now we go to Animator 2, open the Range Selector 1 properties for it, and then here where all the type is bigger than usual, so in my case it's at 1 second, we set a keyframe on offset, so at 1 second, and then we go back to the end, so 2 seconds, and then increase this to 100. So as you can see, nothing happened, but if we decrease the opacity to 0, we will get the effect we want. So let's have a look now. I'm gonna be closing this. So we get this effect, and we can add motion blur to it. So we are gonna click on this one to give it a more realistic cinematic look. So if we were to add a video to it or a photo, we can have a look at it this way. So we can change this text. So double click on the text layer and then change this text to your desire, according to your desire. And then I'm gonna scale this down while holding shift from this. Place it somewhere around here so we can use it in this way. And if we wanted it to appear faster, then we can just decrease the gap between these keyframes. So there we go, simple yet effective. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope it was helpful. See you on the next video.